While every state in India is fighting for a slice of the semiconductor pie, Bengaluru has just grabbed the biggest piece on the table. Karnataka is very tired of playing defense. 3,600 crore rupees, a very encouraging number encompassing, well, what it's calling applied materials. That is the name of the American giant which is all set to establish its operations right here. But when we actually look closer at the narrative, it is actually looking more like a policy heist. The government basically threw the old rule book into the Kaveri and it is not regretting it. So why is this? Let me explain. Till today, you couldn't own land at the Bengaluru Signature Business Park. It was lease only, a pay-as-you-go model. Applied Materials said, well, nothing doing. They wanted certainty on establishing their roots. So the cabinet caved and pivoted to lease come sale. They even skipped the bidding war and went straight for a direct handshake. Is it a desperate move or maybe a masterstroke? Well, we'll find out. In the race against Gujarat, Karnataka decided that being fair was less important than being first. Now, of course, for the part which will impact you. We already designed the chips, right? 40% of the world's brain power resides right here in Indiranagar and HSR layout. But we don't make them. We are the architects who have to ask someone else to lay the bricks. We send our designs to Taiwan. We wait for shipments from Korea. Actually, shipments would also be correct. Anyway, which is, of course, a constraint and a weakness. This deal changes the design to delivery game altogether. Applied Materials makes the machines that makes the chips. By anchoring them right here, Karnataka is building the foundation for a fab. So let's just imagine a fab next to a design house. No more waiting months for prototypes, or for that matter, global supply chain meltdowns cannot be a fear. But there is, of course, always a snag. The finance department is a little nervous and jittery. They've seen land speculation before. So to hedge themselves, they have slapped on a 10-year handcuff clause, which basically states, if you want the land, then stay for a decade and invest the full 3,600 crore rupees, or, well, unfortunately, lose it all. The price being charged is 1,288 per square foot, which is basically money which will be utilized for the smooth functioning of the park itself. But the big pivot, the BSBP was supposed to be a convention center, fancy halls, suites, and business launches. Well, it's of course now a semiconductor park, all 407 acres of it, dedicated to the silicon dream. And here, of course, is the front page take. Gujarat definitely has the headlines. Karnataka actually wants the ecosystem. For you, my friends, the young hopefuls in tech right now, this actually seems to be like the motherboard of all opportunities. It's high stakes, it's expensive, and it's the only way to stay relevant. Bengaluru isn't just a back office anymore. Let's forget that. It's becoming the factory floor of the future, and you might find a brilliant job or some fabulous vocation on these very factory floors. Encouraging times ahead? Please do let us know. What are your thoughts in the comments below? This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by the AIM Network. Like, share, subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.